Hi friends, welcome to LnM Series. This is Varun. In this video, we are going to see about TOGAF Framework. What is TOGAF Framework? TOGAF is an open group architecture framework which is mainly constituted for enterprise architecture methodology. So this framework is specifically for enterprise architecture, which offers a high-level framework for enterprise software development. It mainly helps organize the development process through the systematic approach, which aims on reducing the errors, maintaining the timelines, staying on the budgets, aligning IT with the business. Likewise, it will be working on. The TOGAF framework, it's divided into three main pillars, starting with the enterprise architecture domain, architecture development model, and enterprise continuum. These are the three different pillars of the TOGAF framework. Let us discuss about these three one by one. First is the enterprise architecture domains. This divide the architecture into four key areas, starting with the business architecture, which defines the business strategy and organization, key business process, governance and standards, etc. The second is the data architecture, which documents the structure of a logical and physical data sets and any related data management resource. The third one is the application architecture, which provides the blueprint for developing individual systems, including interactions among application systems, their relationship, etc. The last area is the technical architecture, which describes the hardware and software and the other network infrastructures necessary to support the deployment of the application. The second pillar of TOGAF is the architecture development model, ADM. It is normally an iterative cycle which performs engineering to develop an actual enterprise architecture. So once the architecture is developed, the enterprise can roll it out to all the teams or departments in iterative cycle, so which ensures the occurrence of minimal errors, or if there is any further helping the company communicating, etc. Last pillar is the enterprise continuum, which tracks the architecture solutions on a range, starting at some generic industry standard options, including customized enterprise specific solutions. The framework starts with the architecture vision, then the business architecture, information systems architecture, technology architecture, opportunities and solutions, migration planning, implementation governance, and architecture change management. All these are covered into this TOGAF framework. So in this video, we have looked into the basics of TOGAF framework. Hope this would have created a basic understanding on what TOGAF framework is. Thank you for watching. Let us see again in some other video soon. Thank you.